Finally! Since I got the official Meta Quest 3 dock, charging dock, I really love this device. Really was working perfectly for the original head strap that comes with the Quest 3. But now that I've upgraded to the S3 Pro, to the BoboVR S3 Pro head strap, it started to be a problem for charging the headset. I can charge my battery, of course, with the S3 Pro charging dock for the battery, but to charge the headset itself, the dock here cannot recharge the battery. It recharges only the headset. But finding the right angle and the right configuration to charge the headset each time I put it on the dock, it started to be a little bit of a challenge, as you saw in the beginning of the video. I finished using the headset and then I put it back in place. And as you can see, if I really don't match exactly certain angle, etc., it does not start charging. So I have to wriggle with it or try several times. Here we go, until I can find the right position to start charging. Now it's charging. Actually, we have a green light, that means it's fully charged. Of course, it was sitting on the dock for a while. Otherwise, the light will be orange and it will be charging, but of course, only when I manage to find the right position for it. To solve this issue, I was looking around, see if there is an alternate way of charging the headset without using this dock, but without using one of those docks, a third-party dock that use this USB-C port on the side. Since it's used by my BoboVR S3, I don't want it to disconnect this cable all the time and then connect the charging dock cable, etc. Too much trouble, so I really wanted a system that when I put the headset on the dock, it charges immediately without any issue and without the need to disconnect any cable. Same, of course, with the controller. Wirelessly charge here, but otherwise, yeah, it's difficult to find exactly the same quality of charging dock out there, especially coming from a third party, which is not official Meta accessory. I thought BoboVR will make one. It would have been nice to go along with their head strap, to have a nice dock, but actually it's another company which start to be known right now. They made some earbud that I'm going to review soon and looks great so far. However, they released recently a dock for the Quest 3. And to me, that looks to be a great alternative for charging my VR headset. So, how this new dock looks like and how it works? Well, we are going to find out about all of this right now. Alright, unboxing time for the PRISM-XR Carina D1, the charging dock for the Quest 3. That's the box, that's how it arrived. Of course, as usual, we have the seal on the box. That means it's new, it's not a return. I always look for those. So here we go. Okay. Ta-da! So of course, right there we do have the dock itself. Looks very nice. Let's pull it out. Oops. All right. So here we have the charging connector that moves up and down to have a better connection. Here we have the LED light that will indicate your charging status for the headset and the controller, because the controller will charge here with this connector. And here they tell you L for left and R for right, of course. And here there is a button that will allow you to disable the lights if you want to charge next to your bed and you don't like those lights on to keep you awake. Here with this button you can turn them on or off. In the bottom we do have some rubber pad and specification here. And that's pretty much it. Oh yes, I forgot about, of course, the USB-C port to connect the dock. That way it can charge all your device. And here is the bracket slit here to connect the rear bracket that I'm going to do in a minute. And it has like some kind of angle, 10° down, going down angle that you cannot set up. It's set by default and you cannot adjust this. It's really set at 10 degrees down, and that's it. Back to the box, we do have here, it comes with its power block. So you don't have to use your Quest free power block anymore. You can use this one now with the dock, USB-C. And for the curious, here are some specifications of the included power block. We do have, of course, a quick start guide. We have also the rechargeable battery to use in your controller to replace the existing one. Here is the adapter slash holder for your Quest 3 head strap. If you have any head strap mounted on your Quest 3, especially me, I have the S3 Pro from BoboVR. This will help to hold the headset in place while it's charging. So that's great. Here it is. And the last but not the least in the box, we do have some cable here and here. First one is USB-C to USB-C. So that will be the cable attached to your dock and the power block. And the second bag is not cable, but it's some more accessory. We'll explain in a second what they are for. So here is a magnetic adapter to recharge your headset with the guide to allow you to install it on your headset. I will show you that in a minute how it works. I'll put that on the side for now. And now here we do have, of course, and they are magnetic as well, the replacement door here for your controller. So once you install the battery in your controller, you will have to replace the original door by this one. That way it can make a good contact in the dock, inside the dock, when you will put those to recharge. So one door here and the other door is there as well. A door for each controller. And that's all for the box. Now getting the dock ready, we are going to put this adapter, this bracket in the back. So it clips easily, like so. Up, and it has some dents, so you can see you have some step here, so you can set it up the way you want to match the back of your head strap. For instance, I'm going to see there how it matches with the back of the BoboVR headset. And needs a little bit more. Up, and try it again. I think here should be about good. If you like to carry your dock around and you don't want to reset that all the time to find where is the correct setting all the time, that you remove it and put it back in place, a little trick that I use, it's in the back here. I will put a little mark. That way I will remember where the correct setting is for next time I travel with the dock. As for the controller, now all I have to do is to remove the battery from the MetaQuest dock. So those wireless charging system battery here, I remove them. And on this one as well. And just replace them with the PRISM-XR dock battery, so they are included. When you do that, of course, you see those little metallic plates here on the top of the battery. You just have to be sure that you install them facing up, so like so. There we go. And now we are not going to use the original door from the Quest 3, but we are going to use this one with the two metallic contacts here that will touch those contacts from the battery, so that's why you need those plates facing up. It has to touch those contacts here on the top of this magnet. So you close your door now, up, and you are good to go to recharge your controller. Of course, doing the same now with the other one. Same thing, facing up, the minus on the top here, the positive on the bottom. Here we go, and the metal contact plates up from PRISM-XR. Here we go. Fit perfectly and ready to go. All you have to do, of course, is save those. Put them maybe in your box of your Quest 3 if you keep it, or save them on the side in a place where you can find them easily, because you may need them later, the day you decide to don't use those anymore. Now the only downside of this dock, it's the fact that it needs this little adapter. It's magnetic adapter mounted on the base of your headset, where you have this three little charging dot here. It's adhesive, so you have to peel out this adhesive part, but before you do that, to be sure you center it correctly, there is an adapter that is provided with the dock, which is this guy. So this you need only once, and I'll show you how it works. So basically you take that and you put it here, you clip it here, hop, it goes very well here. Let's put it upside down here now, and that will guide your little sticky adapter to stick exactly where it should go. So here we go. Last step, remove the protective part of the adhesive. We have to keep in mind that this little notch goes toward the volume here. There is a notch here as well. So you put it that way, the sticky part toward your headset, and this magnetic contact here facing outward. So here we go. Now it's in place. I'm going to press for 10 seconds. Press firmly, but do not destroy your headset doing so though. And after 10 seconds, you can release it. Remove this adapter. Voila, you're good to go. Like I said, that's the only little negative side of this dock. It's that you really have to use this adapter. It will stick a little bit out here, as you can see, under your headset. It's next to your volume button, so when you want to activate your volume button, you may touch that piece as well, but your volume button is still fully accessible. But other than that, that's the only negative I can see about the dock. Everything else works perfectly. Now time to test it and see how it performs versus the official Meta one. And here we go, everything is plugged in. Now we put the controller to recharge, like here. Oof. It beep, confirm that the controller is engaged. Now we have another one here. Another beep. Here we go. There is some light on here. Orange, that means they are charging. When the light is green, that means it's fully charged. And now the moment of truth for the headset. Anytime I put it on, without even thinking about it, it charges. Excellent. That's what I'm talking about. And of course it's already green because the headset is fully charged already from the other dock. Let's try again. Hop, I remove there and I put it back without thinking about it, and it charges immediately, no matter how often I do it. Awesome, I love it. And here we go, little side-to-side comparison between the official MetaQuest 3 dock and this PRISM-XR dock, which takes much less space, as you can see here, compared to the official dock. So here we go, definitely keeping this one, and I will keep this one on the shelf for later, just in case, until I'm 100% sure that I like the PRISM-XR, but so far so good. As you saw, save space and charge very quickly without fighting with the base like with this one. In any case, thanks for watching. Hope this video has been useful. Now you know a little bit more about this PRISM-XR Quest 3 dock. Here we go, especially if you have the Bobo VR S3 head strap, that will be useful for you. It's 100% compatible, and here we go, charge even the controller right there. Everything is compact versus this one, which is still great, but a little bit annoying on the headset recharging slot right there. I use the headset and then I put it. I finish using the headset and then I put it back in place. Now we put the controller to recharge, like here, like here. Oof. It beep, confirm that the controller is engaged. And now we are not going to And now we are not going to use the original door from MetaQuest.